What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper motor on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Open the back door. All right, just take this trim piece off. We'll just use a trim tool. Just get underneath here. This is connected right here as well. Slide that off. Some of these trim push pins pop out. We'll have to reinstall those afterwards. Take that off, those are clipped in. I'll take this trim piece off. It kind of comes out at an angle like that. And it's clipped in on the back side. Same on this side. Just like that. I'll take this panel out, just take a trim tool. Just gonna go around. Pop these trim pieces out. Right there. There's one in right here. There we go. Just go all the way around. Top one's the difficult one. And there's a couple push pins in right there. So sometimes it's easier just to grab it. Pop it out, just use a little force. There we go. Those are locked in right there. There's a wiring harness right here. You disconnect that. It's for the cargo light. Just like that. Oh, and the light right here. There we go. This harness actually goes up to the rear defroster grid. There you go. There's that panel. All right, just pull this cover off right here. Slide it like that. The nut is right there. Just use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. I'm just gonna hold the arm while I loosen this up. Take that nut off. Like that, and grab the arm and just try to rock it back and forth just like that. You should be able to loosen it up. If not, they do make special wiper arm removal tools you can use. Take that off. All right, we'll disconnect the connector. I'm just gonna use a pocket screwdriver. You can get under here. There's a little retainer that holds that connector in. Push it on. You could try it with your finger if you can, but use a 10mm socket and ratchet. Take these 3 bolts out. I'm gonna switch over to an electric ratchet. Oops. Just grab the motor and just slide it out. There you go. All right, take the wiper motor, slide this through the grommet in the windshield, in the back window. Get the bolts lined up. I'll get all those started first. All those are started. Just take the 10mm socket and a ratchet, tighten them up. Just snug. Now reconnect the connector. Just make sure it's lined up right. Lock it in. So if you got a new wiper motor, it may not be timed correctly. It may not be in the park position. So before we put the wiper arm on, we want to put it in the park position. So I'm going to turn the key on and cycle the wiper arm once. So you basically want to have someone over here watching for this to turn. Once it turns once, shut the key off right away so that you know that that's timed in the park position. If you do it yourself and you walk over there, it may start up again. You can always listen for it. So I know it shut off, I'll go shut the key off right away. So that should be timed right. Now I can put the wiper arm on. Slide that in position. And you want to put the wiper arm pretty much level, or if you marked it before you took it off, you could do that. Reinstall the nut. All right, put the cover down. All right, I'm just gonna take these push clips out. I have this tool that we actually sell at 1aauto.com. It actually works pretty slick. You just slide it in there, pop those out. There's another one right there. All right, for this panel, we'll put these clips back in here. And right there. All right, now we can reconnect this rear defrost. We didn't need to disconnect that, but that's okay. And that should slide in this area. That's actually taped to that. So if you want to retape that, and then connect this light back up, just line the connector up, snap it in, and just line everything up. Once that's lined up, just push it on. Make sure it's all flush with the vehicle. Put this clip back on there. Line this up over here. Line it up down there, and then line the holes up. Lock it in place. Do the same with the other side. Alright, take these two clips out. Just use this tool. Slide those out. Put those in the panel. And just line the panel up. Line all the push pins up. And lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.